Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use unlock item action, which is a part of WalkQ VBO. Unlock item means we are going to unlock the items which is already locked by your resources, your board. So let's say you are going to run your process. So what will happen if you are using get next item? So one item ID will be retrieved by the specific action and that item ID will be locked, and here you will see currently it is pending, and once that item will be picked by get next item, so you will get here locked icon like this. This icon is here for this item ID and you want to unlock that, so you can do that using unlock item action. So for that, first we should have item that is locked. So how can we lock? So there are multiple ways to lock the items. So first I am going to show you using get next item. So first let me take one action stage and I will take a start here, link with this and double click on this action stage, select work queues and select get next item. Now get next item will give us next item, it means it will lock that specific item from work queue. So here we need to pass the queue name. So queue name is here. Now if you want to put anything in the tag filter, you can enter. Now go to item outputs and here we have item ID. Okay. So it is going to create, so the chosen name for the stage conflicts with the stage item ID on the page work queue VBO. Okay, so it says that this is already available. So let me see here in the work queue. Okay, because might be this is set as a global data items. So what we can do here, double click on that and instead of storing this item ID on different page, you can store here and create with the different name, that is just item ID, right? Now we have item without a space ID and click OK. So we have this one, and after this we can see here, let me take one decision stage and so got item, and here we'll take item ID not equals to blank. It means we have the data. If we have the data, then what will happen, it will lock this item and then we'll check that the item is locked or not, like that. And then if we have the item ID here in this value, this data item, so we'll unlock that one. So to unlock the item, we'll take one action stage because we are going to call action of work queue VBO. So we'll select work queues and then we'll select unlock item, and then which item ID we are going to unlock. So this item ID which is available on process records page. Now here it also gives us output as a unlocked boolean value type. So it will give a value like true or false. So if that item is unlocked, so it will give you a true, if not it will give you false. Now link here and then go to AND. So we are going to take here AND stage and link here, after unlock link here. Now if we don't have any items, so go to AND. So this is just a simple example I am showing you here, just how to use this unlock item action. Now right click, set next stage. Now you can see here we received this item ID, and if we'll go to queue and you will see here this ABC-123 is locked by that specific action. You can see ABC123. Now we'll see here item got yes. Now we are going to run this part, this unlock item. So what will happen, the same item ID will be now unlocked. Now this unlocked same item ID and we are getting a true value here. Now let's go to this queue and now you will see that 1 2 3, that ABC123 is now unlocked, right? So by this way we can unlock the item which is locked. So I hope you learned this one, how to unlock item. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn UiPath RPA, then you can visit my YouTube channel youtube.com/UiPathRPA. If you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy, so I have created one course for Blue Prism RPA complete course on Udemy. So you can go there and you can purchase that course and you can get the certificate from there. I will enter the referral code and the link in the video description. You can go through that. I hope you will like that one. Thank you so much for watching this video.